Janitor AI versus Chai. Which AI chat app should you use? Choosing the right AI chat app can completely change how you interact with conversational AI without sacrificing ease or customization. Both offer unique features and approaches. Janitor AI and Chai are two popular AI chat platforms designed for personalized conversations. The core difference lies in Janitor AI's open-ended customization and user-generated content versus Chai's polished, community-driven chatbot marketplace. Janitor AI is an open-source AI chat platform focused on user control and customization. It allows users to create, modify, and share AI characters with unique personalities and knowledge bases. The platform works by leveraging large language models that can be fine-tuned or adapted through user input and community contributions. Janitor AI's strengths include its flexibility, transparency, and a strong community that continuously improves character scripts. However, it requires some technical familiarity to maximize its potential and may sometimes produce inconsistent responses due to its open nature. Ideal users are those who want to experiment with AI personalities, enjoy customizing chatbots, or participate in an evolving open-source project. Chai is a user-friendly AI chat app that offers a broad marketplace of pre-built chatbots designed for engaging, natural conversations. It connects users with AI characters created by developers and enthusiasts, focusing on accessibility and polished interactions. Chai works by hosting a variety of AI models optimized for different conversational styles and topics, all easily accessible through a clean mobile interface. Its strengths lie in ease of use, diverse chatbot options, and a vibrant community sharing new characters regularly. Limitations include less customization compared to open-source platforms and reliance on the quality of third-party bots. Chai is ideal for users looking for immediate, high-quality AI chat experiences without needing technical skills or setup. Comparing Janitor AI and Chai highlights a trade-off between customization and convenience. Janitor AI excels when you want full control over AI personalities and are comfortable tweaking settings or code. It suits creators and tech-savvy users who value open-source freedom. Chai, in contrast, delivers a ready-made, polished experience with a wide selection of chatbots accessible instantly on mobile devices. It's perfect for casual users seeking variety and ease without setup. If you want to build or modify AI characters deeply, Janitor AI is the better choice. For straightforward, diverse conversations with minimal effort, Chai stands out. Choose Janitor AI if you prioritize customization and open-source flexibility and enjoy hands-on control over AI chat personalities and community-driven development. Opt for Chai if you want a seamless, user-friendly AI chat experience with a variety of ready-to-use bots. Its curated marketplace makes it ideal for engaging conversations without technical barriers. Both platforms serve distinct needs, so pick the one that fits your style best.